Elsewhere, the National Orientation Agency has flagged off sensitization exercises in Adamawa and Taraba states to drive the conversation on the tax reform bills and other policies of the federal government forward among Nigerians. Senior reporter Olabi Adenisi filed in this report.
The data released by the Federal Ministry of Health shows a decline in the human immunodeficiency occurrence from 2.5% to 1.1% in Adamawa State. However, Taraba State is the third state with the highest prevalence of HIV and AIDS and is one of the highest burden states in the northern region of the country. With those statistics in mind, this campaign aims to raise public awareness, clear misconceptions about critical national interest and importance, and inculcate national values in each citizen.
The challenge of HIV is still very much with us, and that we need to practice safe health attitudes in the things that we do, and that we also should not discriminate against those who are living with HIV/AIDS. It's a disease that medical practitioners have found ways of managing.
Issues around the contentious tax reform bills form part of the discussion.
Enlightenment on the issue of the tax reform bills. The tax reform bills has generated so much controversy, largely due to the fact that people do not fully understand its provisions, and so it has run into interpretations that are related to politics, interpretations that are related to region and religion.
National Orientation Agency is intensifying its campaign by exploring 5 more critical areas of our national life, with a view to driving attitudinal change among the people.
In our usual strategy, the campaign will be executed in phases and to feature press conference, stakeholders engagement and town hall meetings, media appearances, visitation to tertiary institutions, secondary and primary schools, road shows and rallies, and visit to religious places of worship.
The National Orientation Agency authorities in Adamawa and Taraba State listed other areas of the campaign, including promoting national unity, war against indiscipline and moral decadence, citizens' participation in combating insecurity, fights against corruption, and strengthening legal framework to address human rights violations, including gender-based violence and child trafficking. The media, traditional leaders, religious institutions, civil society organizations, and educational institutions were all part of the campaign.